from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is March 3, 2022, and I'll be talking about three companies, three stocks that I believe could do really well in the next few months. So let's have a look. Just want to remind, this is not a financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, all covered in this channel. Also, if you like the way we trade, please subscribe to the channel and share. Share these videos from one that you believe could be helping. Now let's jump straight into that. First of all, I just want to have a quick look into what's happening with the overall market in Australia. As you know, if you've been following us, we have a short position, which is through BUBS. Basically means that we are protecting our portfolio in case the market falls. As you can see, the market was trading for the last 12 months, just before February. The market was trading within that range on the upside, as you can see, just sideways, and then obviously there was a breakout followed by the US market, especially tech sector, and then the war also triggers further scare in the market. Now, according to our strategy, the market is at the moment positioning at the bearish side of the SMA. When I'm talking about the bearish side, means that we have this bearish intersection, and the candles, as you can see, the candles and the SMA, which is the yellow line, is trading under the red line. There is a big red flag because we need to protect our position. We don't know what's going to happen after that. And then what we've done is we bought some BBOs and we reduced a little bit as we found a slightly recovery indication here. But again, it just means that the market is still moving sideways, but still into a bearish formation. Okay, so until we have a bullish intersection, which would be the yellow line crossing the red line, we're going to keep holding on BBOs for now, right? But at the same time, we cannot see some very good opportunities and just let them go away. We need to take a risk and buy when the market is at the tip. So what we did, the first stock I want to cover is AGY, which is Argos Mineral. I have covered this stock in this channel. Argos Mineral is going to be a lithium producer, right? And if you can see here, it is in a bullish trend as well. It is in bullish trend and currently trading on what we call hypothetical ascendant support line that has been tested several times, and we see a lot of buyers coming in around these levels. We believe that 30 cent level, it is a pretty good sort of support level at the moment. And this is again is a micro cap, but is a company that is looking to start producing before the end of this year. So we have this potential buying area as we speak. So I think anything at the low 30s can offer a very good opportunity to buy. According to our strategy, obviously, again, this is not a financial advice. You need to do your own research. And also you need to appraise how risky is the specific company that you invest in. For us, AGY, it is still into the speculative side, where we wanted to see more offtake agreements as well. We wanted to see more progression towards the plan, the developing the plan. We want to see the plan almost completed. And we believe this could be a very good opportunity. Obviously, in a very volatile environment, you might want to be looking into more less speculative stock, more stable stocks. But we never know what's going to happen overseas. So we want to take position of this particular company, which, by the way, is a company that we have been trading last year as well, together with our VIP members. Now, the other company that we also have disclosed, and this is more towards investment grade company, that's what I like to say is investment stock, whereas AGY was more like a speculative stock. So is Alkin Limited, which is also a company that we have been trading. Lithium producer, a company that was formed from a merge between Orocobre and Galaxy Resources. So they merged into this company to become the fifth largest producer. There's a video as well about this particular company. And at this stage, you might have missed a little bit. I would be, obviously we bought at lower nines. However, the stock is still trading at what we call technically fair price range, just around the SMA. The SMA is 9.85. The stock is currently trading at $10.12. Ideally, what we wanted to buy, according to our strategy, is at SMA levels or under. So keep watching for this stock. If it falls again, maybe it could be a good opportunity to have targets well above $12 for this company, provided that the market doesn't sink because some potential nuclear war, which I don't think is going to happen. Though. Now, the third stock that I want to talk about is into travel sector. Why I'm looking to travel sector? Because now with this Russia-Ukraine war, the whole travel become a little bit gloomy again. But we have now opening trade all around the world. A lot of countries now getting on with their lives as pre-COVID. So people are traveling again. And I think Webjet could be a good addition if you buy at the right time. What is the right time? Again, what a strategy says. You already know there that we want to buy good quality stocks or stocks that have potential upside at SMA levels or under. And that's exactly where Webjet is currently sitting at SMA level. SMA, which is the red line once again, is currently sitting at 540 and the stock is just trading at 540. As you can see. So it's good buying area according to our strategy. Obviously, the lower you buy, the more technically discounted the stock will be. So could fall more? Yes, I guess you probably could try looking to buy around $5 if it falls again. And then obviously hold until this war finishes. I believe these travel stocks will do really, really well. Just remember that travel stocks doesn't mean airline stocks, although they tend to move together. I'm going to talk about Qantas quickly because a lot of people will be asking me about Qantas. But we have the situation that oil and natural gas fuel price has been skyrocketing because of the war, and that directly affects airlines because the big cost, one of the biggest costs for airlines is fuel. So I would stay out of airlines for now, but I would be looking into travel stocks on the flip side. Guys, the three stocks that I believe could do really, really well and are currently sitting in a buying position. Last one we did really well with our VIP members as was Core Lithium, which is just signed up with with Tesla for 4 years supply. So this is what we believe Core Lithium could reach in the short term. Could go all the way up to 120. Obviously, in the market, nothing is guaranteed, but we're pretty bullish about core lithium still. I wouldn't be buying now. I would be just holding, not buying at the moment, because obviously we would be buying at the formal area since the stock is currently trading pretty much 27% above the SMA. But this is the stock to watch. If it falls again, probably could be a very good opportunity to snap some shares on that. Guys, thank you very much. Hope you enjoy. If you have any stock that you want us to take a look, obviously it has to have some good fundamentals behind. It has to have a liquidity and has to have some growth opportunity for the stock, not just from the fundamental level, but from macroeconomic level as well. So that's what happened with all those EV stocks. Of course, there are plenty of other stocks that we are covering with our VIP members at the moment. So if you're interested to learn about the strategy, to learn the targets, the stop losses, how we set up all this, maybe you want to take a look at our VIP membership program. So just hit our website, bgtrading.com for it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy, we really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.